A drunk campground guest refuses to leave after causing chaos, but ignoring multiple warnings quickly turns a bad night into an arrest.
Beer bottle or some kind of liquor bottle with her two dogs. She sat down, she was slurring her words, obviously intoxicated, and then she started just saying random stuff and cursing at my wife, cursing at me. I told her immediately to get up, start walking back to her RV site. She then started doing loops around the park down on that side. That's when I was walking behind her to kind of like tell her to go back to your site. I called Joel, who's on call tonight, to come as a second to witness, because then she accused me of being a male following her.
Yeah.
And Stephanie works here, so she came over. She was at our site as well as a female, and then we were kind of trying to get her to go back to her site. Called security. She got on the cart initially with security, then she hopped off while it was moving, started walking to the beach, sat down there, threw the bottle of liquor at our security guard. And finally she was walking around more, got back on the cart, brought it here. We've already had noise complaints and about her cursing randomly at her dogs.
So she was causing a disturbance on the property?
Yes,
Yeah,
and
okay.
earlier today as well.
Okay.
So basically, I want her trespassed. She's obviously intoxicated. She can't drive her rig, so I don't know where she has to go, but she can come back tomorrow when she sobers up and get her stuff and leave, but she's not staying here tonight.
Okay.
So
you
there's
want
no
to
way.
trespass, you want to leave?
Yeah, I want her off. Yeah.
Okay.
There's no way to guarantee that she's going to stay there and not do again what she's doing.
Okay, cool. Where is she?
And I am going to warn you, because you're males, that she's going to go off, that you guys are trying
That's fine.
to,
If she,
Yeah, and
if
she's
she
already
want- if
admitted
she
to
tries-
smoking marijuana.
If she tries to take it that way, we can easily arrest her for disorderly conduct, being intoxicated, disturbing the peace. Like, so it's up to her what she wants to do. Okay, where does she live at?
This way.
She's inside?
Yeah.
Lori. Deputy Robertson, Marlin County Sheriff Office. How you doing, Lori?
Do me a favor, just hang back here for a second.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want to come
Are
out?
you here?
Come outside and talk to me right quick.
No, I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, listen, Lori. This is the deal, okay? They want you trespassed. They want you to leave at this moment, okay?
Okay, well, I cannot pack up all this camp. Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is sexy. I'm not going to do it right now. I will in the morning.
You're gonna do it right now. You're gonna get what you can get.
I can't do it.
Listen,
I
you're gonna get what
just
you can
can't
get. You
do
can
it.
get, you can get yourself an Uber. You can get you a hotel in Key West, but you have to leave tonight.
But look at my house. I paid a lot of money for this.
Listen.
Really, officer,
we're not gonna
are
go.
you
We're not
gonna
gonna go with
on
this.
me?
You are causing a disturbance on the property.
I never
They want you
even
gone.
did
They
any
want you
of
gone
that.
tonight,
It's
and they want you to
fine.
come back in the morning and
It's
come pick up your
fine.
stuff and leave.
I won't come back in the morning, but hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm fine with that. But just don't get violent on me.
I'm not gonna
or
get violent on you.
anything.
Listen,
Let me just have my cigarette for a minute.
that's. Listen, you can finish your cigarette, but you have to get moving. You have to get moving, okay?
I paid a lot of money. Did you see the? Look at these plants.
Listen.
They're cons that they want me to leave.
Listen. That's not important right now, okay? It's not important right now. I need you to get your stuff. You can smoke your cigarettes while you're getting your stuff. Gather your things.
All right.
Let me get your ID as well.
All
and,
right, then I'll think about
leave
it
the
for
property.
just a minute. I'm gonna just smoke my cigarette and think about this.
Do you understand what I'm
situation.
saying? Do you want to be arrested tonight?
Listen,
Because we can
sir,
easily,
no, I
okay,
do
so
not
okay, so
want to be arrested.
listen to what I'm saying,
I never
right?
did
Listen,
anything.
hey, listen. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you to get your things. Let's get packed up. Get you some clothes that you can get, so you can get an Uber. Because if you drive, I'm arresting you for DUI.
I wasn't gonna drive.
So that's why I'm just letting you know. I'm just listen.
I was
I'm just
walking,
listen.
camping.
I'm just letting you know if you you'll be
So
arrested
you're
for DUI.
telling me that
Hey, you keep talking while I'm talking. I'm talking right now, okay? You cannot drive because you were drinking. So that's if you drive, that's DUI,
I
okay?
didn't want to drive.
So listen, this is what I need you to do. I need you to get an Uber. I need you to pack you some stuff so that you can go to Key West, get you a hotel. I don't know if you want to go to Big Pine, Marathon, whatever you want to go
now,
at.
you know
okay?
what? I like that idea.
That's fine.
Will you give me a ride to Key West?
No, I'm not. No, I'm
down like that.
I'm not. Listen, I'm not giving you a ride.
Now,
I'm not
listen.
giving you a ride.
I'll up
Okay.
for a ride to Key
Okay.
West.
Listen, like I said, get your things, pack up, so that you
All
can
right,
get you a
then.
hotel or make sure you
All
get you an
right,
Uber
then.
so that you can leave.
Alright,
Okay, all right, let's go.
I'm
do
going.
Let's do this now. Come on, let's get up.
You cannot sweat me, mother, right now. I am tired, and I am
Listen,
not gonna be a.
So you're so.
Why
I'm
are
just-
you? You want to
Listen.
trash my? Trash it.
Listen, we need you
I
to.
Had a
Need to
nice deal.
Okay.
I wasn't doing anybody no problem. I have a nice. I'm from Las Vegas. I have a deal.
Listen. You keep.
You're
you keep-
gonna be a on me. Me.
Okay. Hey,
Me.
you don't want. Let's go. Come
I tell you what.
Come
Hold on.
let's-
Hold on.
let's
Hold
go,
on.
Come on. Step up.
Don't
Come on.
touch me,
All right.
please.
We can
Go.
easily take you to jail.
Go
Tonight,
get
yeah.
your car. Bring
Yeah.
it up over here.
Yeah, I bring.
I don't want to be hassled, brother. I never did anything but in the wrong. I will leave, but I can't drive a car or pack up my camp. I mean, this is pretty. I mean, you guys want me to hustle off here?
I guess you were having problems with the folks here today, huh?
I wasn't having anybody's problem. You guys had a problem with me. That's what I just don't understand. I'm always in trouble
Why is that? Why are you always in trouble?
because I need a lover.
All set?
Yeah.
All right. Put your cigarette out for me.
So I have to pack up my whole camp.
Well, no, not till tomorrow, but put out your cigarette
But I
right
need
now.
my whole camp. This is a lot of work. Please, I can't get up my whole camp packed. It's
Okay.
a lot of things I staked.
All right, let's put out a cigarette, please.
Man,
I have your last drag on it.
I'll think about that.
Okay. Come on over here with me. Come on.
No.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
I didn't do anything wrong.
It's time to get up.
No, but I never did anything wrong.
All right, do me a favor. Come on, get up.
What did I do wrong?
Robinson.
What, I never drove a car. I never broke a window. I never did anything wrong.
Okay, come on.
No, there's no reason.
All right, come on. Time to get up. Let's go.
Why are you pulling
There
me?
we go.
There you go.
Why are you guys pulling me? I never did anything.
Just get your cups, then.
I never did anything, no. I never did anything. I never did anything. Why are you guys locking me? I never did anything. I'm not understanding. I never broke any laws.
Okay, we'll explain it all to you in a second.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
What about my dogs?
We'll take care of those.
I'm not understanding why you guys are coming over here. I never did anything bad to you.
We tried to help you out. We tried to just tell you that they.
So you're.
They tried to
So you're. So.
You want to bring them over on this side of that?
Did anything wrong?
He's new. Have a seat.
How did I do anything wrong?
Hey, listen.
What the did I do wrong?
Okay, sit back.
No, I'd like to know what did I do wrong.
Does she live with anybody, like family members, anybody else?
Don't have. I think she's by herself.
Okay.
She is by herself.
Hey, guys.
By herself.
Yeah, we'll have to call that SPCA to go. I don't know if,
I have somebody who's willing to keep them overnight.
it'll have to be up to her. It'll have to be up to her because these are her dogs, so we can't just give them to somebody else and say,
Well,
get us in trouble.
she's too hammered for that. So
Yeah.
if they're willing to do it, and then she can bail out in the morning and come out here, pack her, and get the hell out of here.
He's right along with us. Amen.
Hey, guys.
She had her bag right on the. She had her bag.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
She just had it.
Did you look underneath in case it fell underneath there?
Go for games?
Yeah, she bailed out. She's over there. We'll do that.
Here's her phone, so she's got something to call.
Okay. You can find out a lot of anything.
Nah.
She also has a,
After refusing to leave the property, she was arrested and charged with disorderly intoxication and failing to leave the property.